Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's class. Let us start with today's class. What had we learned in the previous class? In the lesson whole numbers, we learnt about the properties. Do you remember what were the properties we learned? We learnt about commutative property, identity property of addition and multiplication. Now we'll continue. Now we learn about the patterns in whole numbers. We learn about the patterns in whole numbers. Every number can be arranged in the form of a line or a rectangle or a triangle or a square. Let us see one by one. First one, a line. Every number except one can be arranged as a line. See here. Now let us take numbers in the form of dots. Suppose we have two dots, a line can be formed. If we have three dots, also a line can be formed. 4 dots, a line can be formed. 5 dots, a line can be formed. So the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on can be arranged as a line. Is it or not? Yes. So the numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the numbers can be arranged as a line. Now we'll see which are the numbers which can be arranged as a rectangle. With 2 dots, can we represent a rectangle? No. With 3, with 4, no. 4, if you arrange in this way, it will become a square, not a rectangle. So we need at least 6 dots to represent a rectangle. So 6 is a rectangular number. Then can you tell 8? Then it will be 10, 12, yes, 14, 16. So all these even numbers can be arranged as a rectangle. Even 15 can be arranged as a rectangle. Look here. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12 is a rectangle. 13, 14 and 15. Even 15 can be arranged as a rectangle. So, these are the rectangular numbers. Now let us see the square. Let us see which are the numbers which can be arranged as square. You know, to form a square we need at least 4 dots. No? 4 is a square number. The next number will be, it's not 6, neither 8, it is 9. 9 is a rectangular number, square number. Then it is 16, then it is 25, then it is 36 and so on. Yes, to form a square we need at least 4 dots. So 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 are the square numbers. I'll teach you how to get this. If you want to get a square number, now look here, as I told you, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 are square numbers. Yes, can you tell which are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are natural numbers. Is it or not? Which are the odd numbers here? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. When we add the odd numbers, look here, 1 plus 3 is 4. Same way, 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is the next odd number. When we add, we get 9. That is the next square number. The next one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, when we add, we get 16. Same way, for this number, when we add again 9, we get 25. For 9, again, for all these numbers, when we add 11, we get 36. That is one of the way of getting it. Another way is, now look here, 4 is nothing but 2 2s are. 9 is nothing but 3 3s are. 16 is nothing but 4 4s are. This is 5 5s are. This is 6 6s are. So, we get square numbers by either multiplying the same number. That is 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7 and as if. Now, why don't we multiply 1 into 1? When we multiply 1 into 1, we get 1. 1 is not a square number, so 1 into 1 is not included in it. From 2 into 2, we include. So, these are called square numbers. Now, let us see the triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are, to draw a triangle, we need at least 3 points. Is it or not? So, 3 is the first triangular number. Next it is 6. Next it is 10. Then it is 15. Then it is 21. I'll tell you how to get this. As you know, by adding the natural numbers. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are the natural numbers. We'll add the numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. Same way, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, we get it as 15. So these are the triangular numbers. You have studied all this in your 5th standard. It is just a repetition. So these are the triangular numbers. Yes? So we have learnt about the numbers, how it can be arranged in the form of a line, rectangle, square and triangle. Yes? Can you say numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers can be arranged as a line. The rectangular numbers are, it starts from 6, all the odd even numbers from 6, and some of the odd numbers also can be arranged as rectangle. That is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Even though it is not a even number, it can be arranged as a rectangle. 16, 18, it goes on. Yes. Square numbers are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. I told you how do you get this? 2 2s are, 3 3s are, 4 4s are, 5 5s are, 6 6s are. Now, the numbers which can be arranged as a triangle are 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, etc. This is obtained by adding the natural numbers. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We get these numbers which can be arranged as a triangle. In all these numbers, only one number is left out, that is 1. 1 is a special number which cannot be arranged as a line or rectangle or square or triangle. Okay, 1 is a special number. So this was about the patterns in whole numbers. Now, Let us see the patterns in with the fundamental operations. I'll show you one of the pattern. Look here, 11 into 1 is 11. 11 into 11 is 121. Same way, 111 into 111 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. The next one, 1111 into 1111 will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes? Look here. This is a pattern given. Can you write the next two steps here? Can you write? Now look at the pattern. By looking into the pattern, you can make out how to write it. Now look here. Here it was 11. Yes? Here it was 1. 1 into 1, it is 1. Yes? The next one is 11 into 11, it is 121. See here, 1 has become here. Twice 1 is written. Here also twice it is written. Here thrice. Here also thrice it is written. Now this 3 has become 4 here. Here also it has become 4. Now look here. If you look at here, 1 in between 2 has come. It has become 121. Here 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 it has become. Now look here. The next one we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look here how to write this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the reverse order we'll write 4, 3, 2, 1. The next step when we'll write 1 6 times. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 6 times. Again 1 will repeat it for 6 times. Now the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 we'll write the opposite as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the pattern. By looking into the previous numbers, we can write the next two steps. Let us multiply this and see whether it is correct. Look here, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. That is 111 into 111. Look here, 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 1. When we add 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Look, we have got this answer. Is it or not? Now what we have done, let us check it whether it is correct. That is 5 times 1. 1 is written in 5 times and we are not going to multiply. So when we want multiply, what do you get? Look here. Here we'll write 5 times 1. Again 5 times 1. Again 5 times 1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we'll have to write one more step. So we'll write 5 times 1. Now let us add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The answer what we have got. So by observing the pattern there, we can write any number of steps. I'll show you another example. That's given in your reader. Look here. 6, 14. So look here. Here it is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 98765. 98765. The next step is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6. The next step is 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 9, 8, 7. Now they have asked you to write the next two steps. Look here, the next two steps. You can see the pattern. It is going on reducing. The 5 numbers has become 4, here 3, so we will write it as 2. 1, 2 into 8 has no change, so 8 as it is, plus here 5, here it has become 4, here it is 3, so it is 2 here, and here you look 98765, 9876, 987, so it will be naturally 98 here. The next step will be 1, 2 will become only 1 here, 1 into 8 has no change, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Yes, you can write it in any manner. So this is the answer for this. So by this we have finished this chapter of whole numbers. That's it for today, children. Thank you.